Hey viewers, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. I've done some work off camera. As you can see, I'm a little dirty. Done some work off camera here. As you know, in the previous video, we took the engine out of that. And what I was talking about, where it bent in, wasn't too significant, but you know, you can see right here, it did kind of bend it in. You could probably just get a 2x4 and just pound that back out. But today, it was a bit of a, you know, this, that, and the other day. But we ended up getting the engine off of the subframe. It's just sitting like this for tonight. Tomorrow we're going to continue. But it's all wired up, ready to go into the car. I just finished putting the clutch on, right here. That's a raised diaphragm clutch. If any of you know if that'll work better for the Fiero or not, leave a comment down below, let me know. I've never done a clutch like that before, so I don't know anything about it. The exhaust is still, it's all disconnected from this subframe. So this is all ready to come off. I still got to change the distributor here. And there's the 4-speed. You guys stay tuned. Hopefully tomorrow we can drop it in and get it hooked up. I do still have to run the new power wire for the battery to the starter and whatnot. And I also have to fix the alternator wire because that's been chopped off for whatever reason. Go figure. But this is the 84 intake. I had the 85 intake and I have a spring. If they are different or whatever, I can change it. I don't have the spring with me, that's at home. But this whole intake will stay on here for now, and if I need to change it over to the 85, at that point I will. The flywheel doesn't look too bad, so guys, stay tuned. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get it running. Well guys, it's the next day. We got a lot done. Sorry I didn't film the process. It's been kind of hectic. Got the motor on. Bolted up to the transmission. Like I said last night, I got the clutch on. I was really hoping to get this into here. But I've run into a bit of an issue. Now, what does that mean? Does that mean I'm going to stop on this one? No. Let's see if we can get you in here. There we go. I'm not going to give up on this one. Reason being is because this is not the floorboards. This would be a lot easier to fix, I believe. I do still have to replace the fan switch because that's somehow more damaged than it was before. Got to replace the plug wires. Still got to get it timed 100%, but we can't do that until we get it in the car. I got the splash shield for the oil in. I've got... I'm going to end up probably getting new plug wires and new plugs eventually, but for right now I'll leave these plugs in it. And I had the plug wires that came off of the rusty one, which I'll leave the tag to that above. These struts don't look too bad. I was kind of reluctant to drop the subframe because I wasn't sure about these brake bleeders. I was actually able to use some penetrating oil and some patience and persuasion to get them to crack loose. We also have to replace the CV shaft because the boot's all shot, and I could probably just put a zip tie around that. I've seen people do that, but I got other ones, so why not? Whatever. As for the rest of the framing of the car, the battery tray is obviously destroyed like they always are. The actual framing of the vehicle is actually in good shape along both sides. I still have to drop the fuel tank, and I'm going to probably take some air and blow out these lines because yummy. Look at this. So yeah, I definitely have to blow the lines out. I'll probably do it from down there up this way. So guys, stay tuned. There'll be more coming. I'm sorry I wasn't able to get the engine in and get it fired up, but that'll be next time, guys. So if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button. Till next time, have a good one.